Good morning, student. How are you? Hope you all are safe at your home and enjoying your classes. Dear student, today we will learn about cultivation of plants. So, firstly, we have to write here date. Today is 27/05/2020. Make it habit. Whatever you are doing daily, write date. Whether your written work, whether your reading work, date should be when we have done this. Cultivation of plants mean one day Mona visited a village. She saw some farmers uprooting small plants from their fields. She asked her father why were they doing so. She is asking a question from her father. Her father told her that plants like sugarcane, maize, wheat, and rice are grown in this way by the farmer. Such plants are called cultivated plants. Sometimes a few undesirable plants also grow along with the cultivated plants. These unwanted plants called weeds. Dear student, I will also show you weeds. Here is my flower. You can see this is a flower pots, and here I have grown one flower. But along with this flower there are some unwanted. See, unwanted. I don't need this. I am up time again and again. I am throwing these here and there. These are unwanted. So these unwanted plants are called weeds. You can see here also. You can see it is my flower. It is Sadabahar flowers. And see, along with these flowers there are unwanted plants also. These we don't have need of these. So these are called weeds which are growing unnecessarily. Okay, weeds. So see, weeds can harm the growth of cultivated plants, hence they removed from the soil. Now let us learn how farmers grow plants for cultivation. They first prepare their field to sow the seeds. First, they first dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. This is called plowing. Dear student, yesterday we have done this question plowing. I have not given firstly this question because I am thinking that we have not read this portion, that's why I have not given. But later when I got the message of the parents, that time I think you become confused ki why ma'am has not given. So I have displayed that question also. Plowing is done by using the plow, which is an iron surface. These day plowing is done with the help of tractor. You have seen, you can discuss this thing with your parents ki now these day what is the method of plowing? Tractor. Okay, plowing is followed by sprinkling of seeds. It is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at regular distances. The field is then watered. After a few days small plants start sprouted. Along with these sprout, weeds may also appear in the field. The seeds of weeds are brought to the field by the birds and other animals. Weeds are removed so that they do not consume water and fertilizer meant for the main crop. The cultivated plants grow and give us the desirable or desired product. The student, you do the reading practice and you discuss the cultivation of plant with your father, with your mother, because they know very well what is the meaning of cultivation of plant. They also show you beads in your kitchen garden, in your field. In these days tractor is also used in the field for making the soil soft. Okay, after that we will cultivate or we will sow the maize, kharif fasal, which we called may. They are very interesting. This topic is very interesting. You can discuss, you can see the farmer, what is farmer is doing. You can ask that what they are doing. You can ask from your father mother, then they will explain very well ki what they are doing. In the old time, these bulls are used for cultivating the crops or plowing the field. Okay, now these day modern technology is here, so tractor is used. These are beads. Okay, thank you and have nice day.